To add a new beneficiary for payment, first sign in to your TransferMate account by clicking the Sign In button. You can access your beneficiaries via the main menu drop-down menu. Click Making Payment in this drop-down menu, then Beneficiaries in the sub-drop-down menu. Click Add New Beneficiary on the Beneficiaries Management page. Add all the required details for your new beneficiary, including bank and payee details. When adding beneficiary details, you must add the payee address, as this is a mandatory requirement. You then validate the account details to check they're okay. You can then add other details and options, such as emailing the beneficiary when any payments are made. Click Create Beneficiary to save the record. You will now see your newly added beneficiary in the Beneficiaries Management page for this example. If you need to deactivate a beneficiary, click the Edit icon in the table. Uncheck the Active Status checkbox and click Save Changes. The beneficiary status becomes inactive, as indicated by a grey circle. To reactivate the beneficiary, simply click Edit, recheck the Active Status box, and click Save Changes. If you have any questions about the TransferMate platform, get in touch through the Contact Us page on transfermate.com.